Wagwan people. So today get a sales setup on NASDAQ or NAS100 as you see. Yeah, so just a go over it right now. Replay mode. Start from about here. Yeah. Delete this. Right. So when I came to the charts 8 o'clock. Let's go to 8 o'clock. I was kinda unsure of what to take. As you can see. I was more likely leaning to the bullish side. But here was a supply setup right here. Yeah. And price made a low right here. This low right here. Which broke below this low. Giving us a minor break of structure. Yeah. So I was willing to take this setup. Let's go over the things that we need to see in order to take a setup. So we need the fair value gap attached to the zone. So the gap was from under this candle to over this red candle right here. So all of this is a gap that price needs to fill. So price went down, made this low right here, and came up and filled the gap partially. So we just need for price to tap into the zone, and then we'll get the break of structure, the break of candle, and that's where we'll enter. So I was waiting patiently for price to reach back into the zone, and it gave us a good rejection. So again, we need the fair value gap attached to the zone. Let's see, price came up, almost filled the zone, so this gap was left to be filled. Price went down a little, came back up into the zone, gave us a good closure with the body of the wick outside the zone, with the body of the candle outside the zone, and the wick alone was left. So momentum was there. Yeah, so I didn't really hesitate on this one. So the break of candle entry is when break of candle entry is when the candle that is playing out go below or above the candle that gave us the tap into the zone. So in this case it went below because we are buying. If it went above the candle, that would mean we are selling. So entered right here. We're just aiming for a 1-to-1 like usual. 1-to-1 right here. I was also contemplating if I should have held for the lows because price likes to take out lows. But I just aim for a 1-to-1. Yeah, so price played out in two candles. So it was a sniper entry. Yeah. And price just started to reject after that. Almost reached this level here. And I think it played out for a 1-to-2, I believe. Yeah. But for the past days, it has been just 1-to-1. Then my SL would have been slapped out. So I really like the 1-to-1 approach because that's better with my psychology. So after the 1-to-2, price just went all the way up. Yeah, so if I was holding for, let's say, a 1-to-3, I wouldn't have gotten that today. So just one TP and done. Let's give an update on the 5 hours account. So currently up 2%. Only need $300 more to finish this. I believe it's phase one. Yeah. So here the winning trades. Loss, win, win, loss. And then 3 wins in a row. That's 3%. Imagine that on a 100K account. That's $3,000. But I think most likely I would withdraw after 2%. Because that's a lot of money. As you can see, win rate boosting up slowly. I'm sure if I keep the same discipline, it can be higher. But I'm not really obsessed with win rate. I just want to know that I'm performing good in the market. Yeah. So because I'm aiming for 1 to 1, that's why my win rate is slowly going up. If I was aiming for 1 to 2, past few trades, I think I would still be in drawdown, like 3% or so. Yeah, so same discipline for tomorrow. US 30 or NASDAQ. Yeah.